Hello my friends, today we are here at Kelso Conservation Area in Milton, Ontario. It's like an urban wilderness, part of the Niagara Escarpment. There's some cliffs behind us, this park. Here's a map of the park. As you can see, it's got a lot of trails, it's got a lake. You can do any kind of boating without motors. So paddle boards, canoeing, rafts, inflatable rafts. You can come here and have a picnic with the family. There's a lot of picnic tables. There's also camping. In the summer you have a water park, a small water park. It's a beach. Yeah, many things to do. So we came here today, just got here. We're gonna do a little kayaking. Those who know me with my trusted inflatable kayak from GoPlus, the tandem kayak. So here we go. So this is my Shark 2S pump from Outdoor Master. I reviewed this before in my other videos. It's a great pump, power bank, everything, and it inflates this in no time. Much better than a manual pump. Okay. You wanna get in? Okay, it's stuck.
¿The fin?
Oh, water stuck.
Move it more that way, no? This way.
Okay. Get in.
Yeah, in the fin.
Wanna go to the other side?
What side?
Opposite side.
Over there? Oh, it's raining. We're gonna get all wet. What side you wanna go? That way?
Huh?
What side do you want to go to? You can go there, so you have to go.
We're going to the other side, no?
Okay. I think we're gonna get all rained out. You fall
Okay,
in.
I'm the one you get away.
People are not trying to go back. We're gonna get rain.
You put on your seatbelt?
Yeah.
So here we go! In Kelso Conservation Area on the lake. And it seems like it wants to start raining. It was all sunny and hot, now it got cloudy. Let me see if we can cross to the other side of the lake. This is actually a reservoir, man-made lake. There's a little creek that comes here, and I guess they dammed it so they can use the water for the town. How do you like this lake? Do you hear thunder? No, it's an airplane. Up there on the left side.
Oh, okay. You hear thunder?
But straight ahead is dark, like thunder, see? Maybe that's why those people are leaving.
Ooh, that's a dark cloud. Look at that. Right? Wait. So there's to be printing this one here.
Yeah, this is the circle.
Okay?
I follow you.
Get off. We're off.
I steer, you paddle. Last weekend, we had another trip. We went to Balsam Lake Provincial Park in the Kawartha Lakes region of Ontario.
What's happening?
And we did some camping, kayaking, a little bit of hiking, and we tried a little bit of fishing, but there wasn't any, nothing was biting, there was no fish there that day. So yeah, if you like this content, take a look at my other videos. And like and subscribe, as you know.
And comment.
Thank you very much.
They're getting on it.
Yes, they have to learn how to get on it. You too should learn. You have to kick and jump up.
They got on. Oh.
What we do, we put the weight to the other side.
Oh, they're going in.
You got up?
They're going in.
Everything good?
We were practicing.
Oh,
I thought you
practicing!
fell over.
No, well, we did, but we did it on purpose.
It's good.
Yeah, totally on purpose.
All right.
It's our first time out, so we want to know how well we can get back in.
Oh, wow, that's
Ah.
good. That was very fast, actually.
It's good to know.
We've already practiced earlier.
Oh,
Really?
like, so
Okay.
you went in and out like fast, like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we figured
Yeah,
out
we're
how
doing
to.
this like.
Yeah, it's actually really hard
Tipsy.
to tip it. Woo!
Yeah.
That's nippy.
But it tips, but it doesn't tend to
Yeah.
spill us out.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's a practice to make
This
sure
one we can't tip
get
too much. It's too fat, you know.
Yeah, so this one is it's known to be tippy, but we learned that there's two types. There's the primary, which is like this, but the secondary is when you go on the side. It's actually hard to tip it.
Yeah.
So,
All right. Okay, so you know what you're doing. That's good. All right.
but thank you for
No problem. I hear lightning. I don't know if we should be in the water.
I know that's
Yeah.
I think I'm getting out.
That's why we wanted to do the one last test and then let's do it before.
All right. Well, see you then. Oh yeah, so we went to see these two people there on the, as you heard, on the kayak. We thought they tipped over, but they were actually practicing tipping over and getting back on in case it happens in real life. Okay? Very important for anybody who's kayaking that they know how to get back on their kayak. It could be life and death, especially if it's cold. You're like in, you know, October, November when it gets colder. A lot of people who fall into water do not die from drowning. They die from hypothermia. Their body, their core body temperature drops by 1 or 2 degrees, and that could be can kill you the longer you stay in the water. So yeah, practice your you know, turning over in the kayak and coming back onto it if you can.
Oh, landing.
Get out.
Because this paddle is right.
It's not already.
One thing, if you don't already know, whenever you're on the water, any boat, small boat especially, and there's lightning and thunder, you always get out quick. Or even if you're in the, like in the pool or you're in the beach, because lightning can hit you and you get electrocuted, you know, especially standing in water. Just like electricity and water don't mix. So yeah.
Good tip.
So here they have an obstacle course too in this Kelso Park. This is a climbing tower, huge tower. There's about 4 different walls. Right now it's not operating. And you have all this big obstacle course here. Yep, a lot of things to do.
I guess we're gonna go have a picnic in the rain somewhere. Because Julian insisted. And the food is here. It's the bag. The bag is down here. I close the bag. The black bag over there. Oh, sorry.